What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to toggle a model like this in Maya. And there might be a new way to do it, but if there is, you can put in the comments. But I'm going to show you how I do it um, using the script editor. And it's very simple. And the reason this is important to know how to do is because when you're working with a designer or somebody and you're showing them the changes, you want to be able to do it quick. Like, clicking this is fine, but it's distracting. Like right there, I have both up, and I do that. Then if you screw up, like when you're clicking it, or you do that, like a lot of people will do that, right? But if it's small changes, you're not gonna be really able to tell. Like you want to be able to really see it fast, like that. No distractions. So how do we do that? You have a model like this, and you want to make a layer, right? So if you come here to the right side, layers, it says create empty layer. So once you make that, it says layer 1. You can double click inside of it. I'll leave it as layer 1 though, but you can change the name, the colors, etc. So now I'm going to pick everything in my layer, or I'm going to pick everything on my screen. Right click on the layer, right click on the layer. You can see you have options here. I'm going to go to add selected objects because I have the object selected. Now I can add these selected objects. If I hit visible or the little box here, you can see it turns off and on. So that's how you know it worked. Cool. Now we need to go to the next layer. So we go here, layers, create empty layer. Now you can see it has layer 2. What I'm gonna do now is pick everything, and with Control D is the hotkey to duplicate it. So I duplicated everything, and I'm gonna right click on this one and put it in there. Okay. So now I have another set of objects in my layer 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a really, really small change. Keep in mind, this data is stuff that I did when I was like really, really young. So it's not good. I'm actually going to do a tutorial on how to clean up this stuff. So it'll be great because then I can just talk about my old stuff, how bad it was. So let's say the change was just small like that, right? Let's keep going. Just to clean up the line. Alright, so, alright, cool. That's what we wanted. But how do we, like, add that to the layer, right? Like, it worked. We made it, but now we gotta do the tough part, I guess you could say. So if you come here to the bottom right corner, you can see this white box. It's the script editor. So you hit that. We need to make a button on top. That's the goal, right? We need to make a button. So all these tricks help just learning Maya, right? Like using the script editor, making buttons. It's all helpful stuff. So if I go here, um, let's stay in the script editor. I'm gonna clear the history. So edit, clear history. Right. So now we're here. It's not like a lot of stuff. And basically what we want to do is copy the commands of visible and invisible. So how do we do that? Nothing's happening though when I click on that. The reason is you need to come here to history, echo all commands. So once you hit that, everything you do now is going to be recorded on here. Not recorded, but it's going to be like a history of it. So if I select it, it gives me the full code of MailScript here. So I go edit, clear history. Just keep it simple. If I pick nothing over here, also gives me stuff. So edit clear. You don't have to clear it every time, but so now if I come here to the layer 1, if I turn that off, you see it gave me a button or a layer, not a layer, like a script, right? So this script right here is what we need. But also I can do this one too. And then now it gave me that one. So I'm going to pick both of those like that. Drag up here. And it's going to say save script to shelf as type Mel. Boom. Now we save that script. So now if I come here to edit, it has both of those in there. So basically what it's going to do is turn them on and off, right? And so if you click the button now that I had, see it's going to turn both of them on and off. So we did it right. So then if I come here to layer 2, I'll turn that off. Come here to where we made the change. Click this button. So it's doing the alternate, right? Because we set it up like that. If I turn both of them off and click the button, it'll do that, right? It's going to turn both of them on. But what we want is turn one off and one on, and then boom, the button works. So that's a way to do that. If you right click, well, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's the way. The next video, though, I'm going to show how to edit all this topology right here. So like, subscribe, appreciate the love. Peace.